All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today I installed the anti-glare matte tempered glass on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, I installed the privacy on the white one recently. So today I'm going to install this one on mine. So I don't think I'll need to clean this. But here is the matte glass. Oh, so pretty. So I'll just go ahead and go over this real quick with some of the little things to get the dirt off. It's just a little bit of lint on there. And then we'll go ahead and drop that glass in there and get it sealed up. And we'll be on our way. So I can see little bits of lint. And my glass was already really clean, so I don't really want to touch it. But I'm going to go ahead and drop this on while I can see that there's hardly any dirt on there. There's none, actually. So let me hurry up and get this on. All right. Now, we'll drop the glass in. One last little peek, make sure it's clean. Here's a little piece of dirt right there. And we drop this in. All right, so it's definitely good to go now. I'll drop this in like so. Before it seals down, I want to make sure. So there it is. It's on its way. You see it sealing up. Now I am golden. So now what I'm going to do is going to push out the rest of that little bubble right there. So I'll take the cloth here and push it out. This side over here. I work it in. Sometimes it seals up kind of crazy. And this will work itself out over some time. I can work this out on video, or I can do it after the video, but just to give you some sense that it will come out, I like to push it over. You can lift your screen protector if you feel comfortable doing that. Personally, I don't think you should. I think you should just work it out like this. And once the screen gets hot, and you know the heat from using it, it'll take care of itself. So I went with the matte clear glass on mine and the privacy on the white. And that'll clear itself up. But there it is. Beautiful. Beautiful matte glass. Look at the bubble come back. That's gonna annoy some of y'all. Okay, I'll work on it a little bit more. But it's gonna heat up and it's gonna clear itself up. These bubbles like this, they always come out with just a little bit of time. I know somebody's watching the video like, oh, I read you guys' comments and you guys be like, oh my God, that would annoy me if those bubbles were there. All right, I'm done, folks. I'm done. It's your man Jay. I'm out.